Hello everybody. We just received a new shipment of bundles. So before I leave this evening, let me show you the bundles that we have in stock. Hi everybody. Okay, so I already started unpacking our bundles, but here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is our deep body wave. Oh, let me grab my spray bottle so I can show you guys what it looks like. Happy Good Friday. I should be at church, but I'm not. But I will be at church on Easter Sunday. Don't forget to come on in, guys, and shop our BOGO sale. How's everybody doing? Yes, we're located in Culver City, California. So let me start unpacking these bundles, and then I will get on and wet the last one. So I've already started unpacking these bundles here. I think we're going to have a bundle raffle, so definitely if you're not already following us, go ahead and follow us so you can win these bundles. We've restocked our wigs, we're still getting them up. We have 4 walls of wigs here, so if you have not came into our Culver City store here, come in and shop with us if you want the best hair. Whew, they say there's about to be a storm coming, so I need to get on the road, but I just wanted to show you guys we have bundles in stock and available because, hold on, let me tag a product here on TikTok because TikTok likes to tell me that I'm doing stuff, whatever that means. Okay, so I pinned some products there, but we have bundles. We have bundles in stock. We have deep body wave, of course. We have straight. We have body wave from 10. No, I did not order any 10 inches. From 12 to 28 inches straight. Body wave, deep body wave, you name it, we have it. It's the same great quality of hair that is from our, it's our same vendor as our wig. So if you have bought a wig from us, I'm sure you've had it for 2+ years because we have the best quality. And trust me, I know because I've been here for 10+ years. We do wig repairs, we do colors, so I see a lot of the different hair that we have around. Oh, here's these two wigs. We have some more kinky curly wigs, so if you're looking for kinky curly, we have more of those as well. We got kinky curly, kinky straight. We're pretty much fully in stock, guys, so come on in. But back to, yes, I see a lot of different of the qualities of hair that we have around, and trust me, I confidently can say we have the best. This is our beautiful kinky curly here. You see it, it's beautiful. Our hair does not have no stinky smell. And if I wet this, you'll really see the quality. I know I was supposed to wait till the end, and this is a wig. This is 22 inches. This is our curly, not our kinky curly. I'm just going to wet a little piece for you guys just to see how beautiful this texture is. Now, on my next trip, I am taking a new wig with me. Hey, yeah, we're open, not right now, you know we close at 6. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 to 6. So I just wet a little piece right here in the back so you guys can really see this curly texture. Now, this is one of our wigs, but we do have the same texture available in our bundles. I hope you guys can see this on the camera. This is our inside cap construction. All of our wigs have our Magic Hair Company label there. Pow, pow, pow. She's beautiful. Actually, maybe I'll take this one. Let me see what this looks like. Well, I don't really feel like taking my hair off. Okay, I'll put it on really quick. Really quick. Our wigs are glueless, so this wig is glueless. Not going anywhere. Part didn't budge, anything, because Our wigs are glueless and secure. We have people come in with glueless wigs from other companies all the time that are not actually glueless and still need to be glued down. So all glueless wigs are not made the same, ladies and gentlemen, in case you didn't already know that. Now let's check out this hairline. You can definitely freely part our wigs anywhere. Perfect for vacation, perfect for work. And this is a 22-inch curly. What do y'all think of this? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Well, I'm gonna wet it a little bit more just to kind of really see what it's like. Oh, but I think I like her. Oh, I think they like me. Oh, I definitely do. And I'm just spraying some water. And I'm really just going to spray just this top piece right here because I'm not going to fully wet this wig down. Well, I guess I might as well since it's already on. But yeah, happy Easter, everybody. What's everybody doing for Easter? I know I'll be at church Easter Sunday. And I hope I get maybe 2 Easter baskets. I know my husband will get me one, but I hope my mom gets me one too. Does anybody else, an adult who expects an Easter basket? I think until I have kids, like, it's okay, right? No? Yeah? So I'm just wetting her down. Hello, hi. And let me brush this now. What do you guys think of this curl pattern? Oh, she's pretty. Yeah, I might as well just wet the whole side down. And then let you guys compare. But I love it. Our hair is low maintenance, very easy to get through. It does not take a lot of time to style your hair. I especially love our curly and wavy textures when I'm on vacation because you can get it wet and then just go. It really makes a difference in the quality of hair that you have. So because this is good quality hair, it's not going to thin out and shed because the hair is not constantly getting tangled on itself, ripping the hair out. And this spray bottle just has water in it. And you see how easily this just glides through here? Hair's not snagging or anything. You saw I just took this out the package. Ow. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you see it's not all the way wet in the back. Oop, there goes my red wig. And there you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you want some quality curly hair, you know where to find us. This is our regular curly. This is a 22-inch. Hey, hey, hey. Hi. Hey, girl. Hey, girl, hey. So this is a 22-inch. Now, if I was going to actually wear this in my real life, I would cut some layers right in here and probably add some color because why wear plain hair when we do custom coloring right here in store? So yeah, come on in and shop with us. And then this is the side that I didn't wet. Hey, is that you? Hey, how are you? Thank you. So this is the side that is not wet. And this is the side we just wet down. So if you like bigger curly hair, just keep playing with your hair to get it bigger. Good, how are, I can't see the rest because my other phone's in the way. This is how are you? I'm good. I'm good. Come on, come say hi to us. We are still here. So this is the side that is fresh out the pack. This is the side that's fresh out the package. But what? Yeah, Nia, it's good to see you and hear from you. Definitely come on by. So yeah, okay, let me get back to processing out this order. So this is the wet side. This is the dry side. Let me keep organized here. And let me put this beautiful red wig back on. Let me see what she said. I will, yeah, come by. We're here all the time, me and Tati. And so I'm putting my red wig back on. This wig here is probably about, this wig right here is 3 years old. I wore this to my, what's that thing called when you get married? The rehearsal dinner. So I wore this wig to my rehearsal wedding dinner. So this wig right here is 3 years old. And you see the quality. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Okay, so let me finish with these bundles. We have another 20-inch wig here. We have another curly wig there. And some more bundles. More deep body wave. We have a lot of the deep body wave texture. More deep body wave bundles. More deep body wave bundles. I'll probably sort this off of camera. Oh, we have some body wave in here because I'm trying to just be on here real quick tonight because it's already 8 o'clock and I'm tired of leaving here at 10, but I'm a hardworking woman and I'm glad and thankful to be in business, and I'm definitely here by the grace of God, and I thank God every day for new and more customers. What does it say? Okay. But yeah, more bundles. If you're looking for bundles, you're looking for wigs, closures, we got it. And tomorrow we'll work on labeling and sorting all of this beautiful hair. And we have more wigs on the way, more bundles on the way. We already have closures in stock. Shop at Magic Hair Company if you want the best. I've been here for 10 plus years, and let me tell you, if I was selling crap hair, I would not still be in business. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Good Friday. Happy Easter. And yeah, we're Magic Hair Company, where we're changing lives one custom wig at a time. Bye, guys.